Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and this is your reminder that muslin is not just for babies. This beautiful cotton muslin blanket from Destiny Home Techs is perfect for all seasons. It can be used on its own in the warmer months, or it can be layered when it's cooler. It's also super versatile because it's reversible. So I have the champagne color here. It's very neutral, a really nice taupe color, and the back side is a lighter version of the top, so you can alternate. It's a super generous size. I have the king size and I have lots of extra room. It's also nice and stretchy. The ends have a little bit of a tassel fringe, which is really cute and bohemian. The upkeep is simple. It goes in the washing machine, so no worries about that. It has a really great texture, which I find adds a lot of warmth to your room. It also comes with 2 pillow shams. Currently, they're on my king size pillows. They are definitely a tight fit, so I would recommend going with more of a standard size or a queen size pillow in these. Overall, I'm really happy with the quality of this blanket, whether you're putting it on your bed, using it as a throw on the couch, or just as a spare blanket for when you're cold. I think you will be really pleased with the quality and the look and feel of it, and that's my point of view.